100 years ago, an engine was simply a necessity, heavy, loud, and rough. It wasn't hidden out of modesty, it was ignored. It was just a heart that had to beat, not something meant to be beautiful. In the early 20th century, engines looked like piles of iron, massive cylinders, exposed mechanisms, the smell of oil and smoke. They had a life of their own, clanking, vibrating, overheating. Engineers weren't thinking about form, they were just trying to make the thing work. Beauty felt like an unnecessary luxury. What mattered was that the machine moved. Gradually, a new understanding emerged. An engine could be more than function, it could express human thought. In the 1930s to 1950s, the first attempts to refine its appearance appeared. Metal was polished, components arranged with intention. In cars, engines were hidden under the hood, yet inside remained a raw mechanical symphony. By the late 20th century, everything changed. Technology made engines precise, almost perfect. They became smaller, more powerful, quieter. Engineers began to treat them as works of engineering art. Lines carefully designed, parts fitted with microscopic precision, materials chosen not only for strength but for aesthetics. Even the sound became part of the design, not noise, but character. Then came another turning point. The electric motor lacks the familiar soul of old engines, no pistons, no explosions inside cylinders. Yet, in that simplicity, a new kind of beauty emerged, clean forms, minimalism, near silence. The engine became not just a mechanism, but a philosophy, efficiency, sustainability, harmony with the world. And so, 100 years have passed from a soot-covered mass of iron to an elegant system where every line has meaning. The engine stopped being just a tool, it became a reflection of its time, of human taste, and of the way we think. And perhaps the most remarkable thing is this: even as it became a work of art, it never stopped doing what it was always meant to do, set the world in motion.